You look like you're ready to forge your own way and accelerate with your newfound confidence. To follow your instincts and demand attention. As you push the limits of what you can reach. There's nothing more thrilling than being comfortable in the pursuit of something great. Knowing that nothing can stop you. Be unstoppable with a new Hyundai Creta. There seems to be something new going on. You look like you're ready to forge your own way and accelerate with your newfound confidence. To demand attention. As you push the limits of what you can reach, there's nothing more thrilling than knowing nothing can stop you. Be unstoppable with a new Hyundai Creta. There seems to be something new going on. You look extra. You look like you're ready to forge your own way and accelerate with your newfound confidence. To follow your instincts and demand attention. As you push the limits of what you can reach. There's nothing more thrilling than being comfortable in the pursuit of something great. Knowing that nothing can stop you. Be unstoppable with a new Hyundai Creta. There seems to be something new going on. You look extra. You look like you're ready to forge your own way and accelerate with your newfound confidence. To follow your instincts and demand attention. As you push the limit. There seems to be something new going on. You look extra. You look like you're ready to forge your own way and accelerate with your newfound confidence. To follow your instincts and demand attention. As you push the limits of what you can reach. There's nothing more thrilling than being comfortable in the pursuit of something great. Knowing that nothing can stop you. Be unstoppable with a new Hyundai Creta. You look like you're ready to forge your own way and accelerate with your newfound confidence. To follow your instincts and demand attention. As you push the limits of what you can reach. There's nothing more thrilling than being comfortable in the pursuit of something great. Knowing that nothing can stop you. Be unstoppable with a new Hyundai Creta. There seems to be something new going on. You look extra. You look like you're ready to forge your own way and accelerate with your newfound confidence. To follow your instincts and demand attention. As you push the limits of what you can reach. There's nothing more thrilling than being comfortable in the pursuit of something great. Knowing that nothing can stop you. Be unstoppable with a new Hyundai Creta.
Maray na hapon sa Indogabos, and welcome to our live streaming here at Hyundai Naga. My name is Casey Bigia Venosa. Again, welcome po to our week of Creta and Elantra experience. Alright, so ayun, before we start with our live streaming, we would like to thank all the media and content creators who went here today. Okay, so I hope nag-enjoy po tayo. So ngayon po i-acknowledge na po natin yung pumunta this morning. Lakwatcheron Irigenyo, Masa N, Sentrong Bicolandia, BBS or DWLV, DWRN Naga, Tropa Pips MJ, Jibriel Bugtong, Bombo Radyo, Mami Cha, Team Baao Content Creator. And this afternoon, meron pa rin po tayo mga media and content creator na nag-highlight ng ating mga bagong modelo. Andito pa rin po si Biyahe ni Bex, Makakan Kita Bicol, yaon man din po si Iris Mehaber, and Miss Hannah Gale. Alright, so maraming salamat po sa lahat ng pumunta this morning and sa mga nandito pa rin po this afternoon. So currently po, today is our Media and Content Creator Day. So sa mga gusto pa rin po maghabol, gustong i-highlight ang aming Creta and then Hyundai Elantra, feel free to go here in our showroom. We are located at Del Rosario, Naga City. Dito po tayo sa tapat ng Del Rosario, ng Camellia Del Rosario. Okay? So ayun, ano din po ba ang mga series of events natin this week? So tomorrow po, we have naman po our Bankers Day. So sa mga naimbitaran po natin ng mga bank officers, please go here tomorrow around 2 p.m. onwards. Lahat po mga bank officers invited po to go here and experience the Hyundai Creta and Hyundai Elantra. Okay? So on June 12 po, open house naman po ito. Anyone can visit our showroom. Now on June 13 is our meet and greet with our old and new clients. So nakaka-excite po ito. At least mamimit natin yung mga Accent, Ion, Elantra users before and mga new clients na na-releasean natin with Creta, the previous model Creta, and the Hyundai Stargazer and other models that we have. Okay? Now also on Saturday, we have our Father's Day special. We have this exclusive promo for those fathers who are interested to make a deposit with our Creta and Elantra. So on top of our very low promo, you will get additional 5,000 gift certificate. Ayun, sana po makapunta kayo dito sa aming showroom. So again, maraming salamat po. Also no, we would also like to thank IMJ Interactive for this live stream and video coverage. Thank you as always, sir. Okay? So ngayon naman po, to give you a quick walk around of our newest models, Hyundai Creta and Elantra, I will pass on the mic to our senior consultant, Miss Marie-France Datiles.
Yay! Good morning everyone. Thank you so much our supervisor, Miss Casey Vigia. Of course, it's an honor to be part of this kind of event. This is a week of Elantra and Creta experience. By the way, my name is Marie-France Castillo Datiles. I'm a certified senior consultant here in Hyundai Naga City. Yes, grabe. Actually, kinakabahan talaga ako. For today's event, kahapon, na kami ni Miss Jo Asay. Nag-live na po kami kahapon with the Elantra and then the Creta. But today is one of the special day because ang mga kasama namin ngayon, of course, kayo mga nanonood sa live stream and mga media and content creator. Thank you so much po for coming here. And sa mga susunod pa po, please come and visit here. Ang dami po namin mga surprises and mga pwedeng ibigay pa sa inyo, lalo't malapit na ang Father's Day. Grabe, sa mga nakinig dyan kanina kay Miss Casey Vigia, sa mga surprises talagang ibibigay po namin yan sa inyo. But today, grabe, sobrang excited na ako to showcase and to highlight our two biggest unit na dumating talaga sa amin ngayon. Excited na ba ang lahat, lalo yung mga nasa kani-kanilang mga bahay, mga OFW, mga negosyanteng super busy, and sa mga empleyadong nasa kani-kanilang mga trabaho? But here in Hyundai Naga City, we do this for you all. So, relax, enjoy, and please like our Hyundai Naga page, and please share para sa mga mahal natin sa buhay na they're planning to get a brand new car. This is a big help for us. And to witness our new, younger baby ng Palisade, the Hyundai Creta. Please show po. Wow! Diba? Sobrang ganda ng Hyundai Creta natin. This is the all-new Hyundai Creta. If you can see sa front pa lang, sobrang mapapawaw ka na akala mo you're driving like a Palisade. But no, this is the all-new Creta facelifted with 115 horsepower na talaga namang hindi ka mabibitin sa power. And look at the daytime running lights. Diba? With the high ground clearance na 200, SUV type na rin po siya. Kaya sa mga naka-Creta na po, sa old face na Creta, it's okay po sa mga nakabili na kasi halos same lang din naman, pero ang pinagkaiba talaga ngayon is talagang Hyundai Palisade looks na po talaga tayo. Sa mga they are planning to get a brand new car, like this one, sobrang ganda. And of course, for this price position, you get wide array of safety features. Talagang mapapawaw ka. It's because we have a Hyundai Smart Sense with cruise control, lane keeping assist na talagang ang features naman natin in that kind of price, even kung hindi ka pa ganun kagaling mag-drive, but you have the features na nawawala ka na sa lane, ibabalik ka niya sa tamang linya. And we have also a forward collision avoidance assist na even you're not paying attention sa driving, merong mag-guide sa'yo para maiwas tayo sa aksidente. So, diba? And we have also blind spot collision avoidance assist with 6 airbags, and sa Hyundai Creta natin, and even other units, hindi po mawawala dito yung 5 years warranty natin in all major parts of our car. And you know that, ang pinakamaganda pa dito sa 5 years warranty natin, hindi lang po siya basta-basta warranty. Kasi po, ang coverage ng warranty natin is all major parts of your car, like the engine, drive shaft, drive axle, and even the suspension of our car is part of the warranty. And speaking of suspension, you know what? Ang suspension po ni Hyundai Creta is coupled torsion beam axle na po siya, and naka MacPherson na po yan. Diba? Suspension pa lang, mapapawaw ka na. Talagang hindi mo mafe-feel yung tagtag or anything to worry sa mga families natin. MacPherson and coupled torsion beam, para ka nang nagda-drive ng Palisade. Pero, you're driving a Hyundai Creta. Grabe. And this one is a high rider car with 200 ground clearance. Diba? Para ka nang naka-SUV for this kind of price. Mamaya malalaman nyo kung gaano ka ganda yung price na meron po dito sa Hyundai Creta natin. I'm just mentioning that ito pang pinaka gustong-gusto ko sa Hyundai Creta natin. Kung magpa-park po kayo sa mainit na lugar, pero ayaw nyong sumakay kasi mainit na yung loob ng sasakyan nyo, alam nyo bang meron siyang features na push start button with engine remote start. Grabe, even hindi ka pa papasok sa loob ng sasakyan mo, pwede mo na siyang paandarin gamit yung remote car mo. With our fob key na napakaganda, pwede na po yun. I'm gonna show you the interior po ng Hyundai Creta natin. Yan. Grabe, sobrang ganda. Sa mga nanonood po dyan, sa mga nasa kanilang mga bahay, feel free to visit our Hyundai showroom here in Naga City. We have also showroom sa Legazpi and Daet. Grabe, diba? Very premium ang looks and napaka-spacious po ng Hyundai Creta natin. And even the legroom, sobrang spacious po niya. Grabe, Creta pa lang yan pahapyaw pa lang yung mga sinasabi ko, pero pag nakita nyo and you visit and you test drive our units, baka pag uwi nyo may sasakyan na kayong dala. Diba? Ganyan kaganda si Hyundai Creta. And let's go for the rear of Hyundai Creta. Grabe. Diba? Likod pa lang talagang napakaganda na ng Hyundai Creta natin. Lalo na kung nakailaw ang Hyundai Creta, talagang mapapawaw ka. Dun sa old Creta natin, meron iba yung back niya. Ngayon, eto naka straight line na po siya. Naka horizontal light na po yung Hyundai Creta natin at the back and with backup camera. And of course, very spacious din po yung trunk space natin with 60-40 split folding. And meron din na po siyang spare tire. No need na po ng, same din po siya ng gulong natin. So, pwede na rin siya natin for the long drive. With tools na rin po yan. That's the 60-40 split folding. And kung gusto na rin po ditong mahiga with your family, pwede po. Very spacious po siya. Diba? With aircon vent na po si Hyundai Creta natin. Grabe, sobrang ganda. Mapapawaw ka talaga. Diba? Pahapyaw pa lang po yan, pero sobrang ganda na. And we have also other variants for Hyundai Creta. We have the GLS Premium and we have N-Line for Hyundai Creta. Sa mga they're planning to get a brand new car, we are open for reservation to get your brand new car. Ano ngayon, sobrang ang dami na nagme-message sa amin, ang dami nang nagpapa-reserve para sa this kind of units po natin. Kaya kung ikaw nagpapahuli pa, ngayon pa lang magpa-reserve ka na. Please do message our page, Hyundai Naga City Bicol. And please do message me also. I'm Marie France Castillo Datiles. we are happy to help you to have your brand new car. For Creta pa lang yan. Paano na kung pupunta tayo sa isa pang legendary car ng Hyundai? Grabe. Excited na ba yung mga nanonood dyan? Tara, samahan niyo ako. Grabe! Alam nyo, hindi ko pa natatapos i-discuss sa inyo ang Hyundai Creta, pero hinihingal na ako sa sobrang daming features na napakaganda niya, pero hindi pa po yan lahat. But now, actually, we have 5 variants of Hyundai. One of the legendary car na sedan type, pero very sporty talaga siya, which is our Hyundai Elantra. Grabe! Sobrang ganda ng Hyundai Elantra. Yung nakikita nyo pong yan, that's the Hyundai Elantra 1.6 GL, 6-speed automatic. Hindi pa po yan si pinaka-top of the line natin. We have other variants here in Hyundai Naga City, the 1.6 GL standard, and of course, ang pinakabagong unit natin, which is the Hyundai Elantra 1.6 hybrid, 7-speed dual clutch transmission. Grabe, sobrang ganda ng Hyundai Elantra natin. The color of this Hyundai Elantra is metal blue pearl. Diba? Pangalan pa lang ng Hyundai Elantra natin, talagang mapapawaw ka na. Front pa lang, sobrang mapapawaw ka na. And, of course, sa mga ngayon, sobrang patok na ngayon and ang dami ng lumalabas na mga hybrid car. Si Hyundai, of course, hindi siya nagpapahuli because we have our Hyundai hybrid electric vehicle na super tipid. Talagang mapapawaw ka. And we have also warranty for our hybrid battery, which is 8 years warranty. And we have also warranty for the other parts, major parts of our car, which is 5 years warranty. Kaya talagang sulit na sulit yung kukunin nyo po dito sa amin. And sa mga nagtatanong kung baka mahal yan, Miss France, ako na sasabi sa inyo, ako na magsasabi sa inyo na kayang-kaya ng bulsa nyo na sa ganyang klaseng sasakyan na very sporty, very sophisticated, fierce with fastback rear, and naka-front pa lang mapapawaw ka na. I wanna show you na pangmasang sasakyan sa mga naghahanap ng sedan, pero sporty, pero ang presyo pang masa. I wanna show you this one. This is the Elantra 1.6 GL 6-speed standard. This one. Grabe! Ito yung mapapawaw ka talaga. Even ako na ahente dito sa Hyundai, sabi ko, grabe, ito na yung standard ng Hyundai Elantra na aakalain mong naka-top of the line ka na with the max. Rim 15 na po yan. With 128 horsepower at 3,600 RPM. Diba? Very dynamic, very futuristic, sobrang ganda. And if you can see po sa loob ng standard Elantra natin, naka-monitor na po ang Hyundai Elantra natin. I wanna show you po. Grabe! Diba? Very premium na po ang standard Elantra natin. Kaya sa mga they're planning to get a sedan with sports car looks, sophisticated looks, we have here our Hyundai Elantra 1.6 6-speed standard. Sa mga gusto naman pong mas matipid, we have also hybrid or hybrid electric variant. The Elantra, nandito na rin po yan sa Hyundai Naga City. And we have also sa Legazpi and sa Daet po. Grabe. Entry pa lang parang high-performance luxury car na. Anong masasabi nyo dyan? Diba? Mapapawaw ka talaga. Diba? Sobrang ganda. Sobrang sexy. Sobrang fierce. Hapyaw pa lang po yung sinasabi ko, pero sobrang dami pa po namin pwedeng i-highlight sa inyo. And of course, lahat ng unit natin dito and our Hyundai Elantra, no weak angle. And also, they are 5 years warranty. Yes po, you heard it right. Ang warranty po na inclusion po ng ating car is our heart of our car, engine, transmission, drive shaft, drive axle, even the suspension po, it's part of the warranty. That's the major parts. We have also warranty for the minor parts of your car, like the battery, 2 years warranty, aircon system, covered din po siya ng warranty, wirings, covered din po siya ng warranty. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? You have your 5 years peace of mind sa sasakyan na kunin nyo po dito sa amin. And, of course, before to end this highlights and showcasing the units of Hyundai Elantra and Hyundai Creta, I want to come to the content creators and other media influencer po na I want to ask something para malaman natin kung nakikinig ba sila or na makita nila kung gaano kaganda and kung ano masasabi nila sa Hyundai cars natin. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Wow! Hi, ma'am, sir! Welcome po sa Hyundai! Diba? These are some of our content creators, right? Na in-invite din po natin dito sa mga wala po dito. Thank you so much po. Okay lang ba magpakilala po kayo sa amin para po to our viewers?
So, hello everyone. Hello Hyundai Naga City. I am Marvin po.
Marvin.
Hello everyone, so this is Iris May.
Hi guys, my name is Hannah Gale.
Hi guys, welcome to Hyundai Naga City. I am Princess.
Wow! Thank you so much, guys. Okay lang magtanong ako sa inyo. Ano po yung masasabi nyo dito sa Hyundai cars po natin or sa experience nyo po dito sa amin sa Hyundai Naga City together with our Hyundai cars po?
Okay, for me po, it is so inspiring to have a new car, especially the new release of Hyundai Naga, especially the Elantra and the Creta.
Actually, as of now, na-experience namin na sobrang ganda pala yung ganitong experience. So, thank you Hyundai Naga for having us. And sa nakikita namin, sobrang na-inspire talaga kami kumuha ng kotse na talaga. Kasi nasa edad na din na magkakotse na. Sobrang happy namin kasama yung friends ko.
Ano? So, feeling ko, sobrang pricey niya for its quality po. Sobrang ganda ng quality and ng interior, exterior, lahat-lahat po. Ayun, gusto ko din magkakotse.
Ayun, for me naman, pagpasok ko pa lang, parang it's overwhelming talaga. Yung parang na-attract ka talaga. Ang gaganda kasi ng mga kotse, parang masisipagan mo pa talaga na magtrabaho para yes, yun. Yes, thank you so much.
Diba? Diba? Sobrang thank you. And talagang kanina sabi niya, akala niya ang mahal daw ng pricing ng sasakyan natin kasi it's the quality itself. Actually, talagang mapapaisip ka naman talaga kasi Hyundai po is one of the best car industry rin po and we're from Korea. Our car po is made in Korea. So, sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, we have our own manufacturer po ng bakal sa Korea. Kaya talagang sobrang ganda ng quality. Dinadala po yan dito si BU na. It's completely built unit. And of course, you have a peace of mind sa sakin na kunin nyo sa amin. Kasi yung bakal na meron po tayo talagang sobrang kapal. Quality, yes. And ngayon, di ba, na-inspire kayo na magkaroon ng sasakyan? Sobrang pwede namin kayong tulungan magkaroon ng sasakyan in that kind of age. And kasi marami kaming promos actually. Marami kaming promos, mamaya di-discuss namin yan sa inyo. And ang dami na rin po naming mga content creators, vloggers ang natulungan na magkaroon nagkaroon ng sasakyan na talagang even sila mapapawaw, lalo na pag nakakausap kayo ng ahente ng Hyundai. Kasi mas i-educate pa namin sa inyo kung bakit si Hyundai ang kailangan yung kunin dito sa atin. Not other than talagang dito na talaga ako kukuha. Diba? Excited na ba ang lahat malaman kung magkano yung price ng Hyundai? Yes. Okay lang magtanong ako, it's a wild guess lang kung magkano ang Hyundai, for the Hyundai Creta, what do you think? Magkano ang presyo ng Hyundai Creta? Wild guess.
Maybe it's 2.1.
I guess 2.5.
Whoa.
2M.
2.6.
Grabe! Ang mura naman niya. Hindi, joke. And actually, grabe, in that kind of price, may Santa Fe ka na. Hindi, joke lang. Pero yung etong ibibigay ko sa inyo, it's only Hyundai Creta, but you're like driving a high-end cars. Mamaya, baka mag-fill up na kayo ng form, mag-deposit na kayo para may mga additional prices pa kayo. I want to call my supervisor to discuss other prices and promos natin. Tara, samahan mo ako dito, Ma'am Casey. Diba?
Alright, so good afternoon ulit. Thank you so much, Ms. Mary Francis, for that quick walk around of our two latest models. So, nakita naman natin kung gaano ka-futuristic and gaano ka-modern yung ating units. Alright? So, now, alam ko excited na kayo sa price, diba? Grabe naman, ang mamahal naman ng ating guest. Okay. Ayun, tama yung sinabi ni Miss France, pang Santa Fe na yun. Or even the Hyundai Staria. Malapit na yun sa presyong yun. Now, let's discuss first for Hyundai Creta. Magkano po ba si Hyundai Creta? Now, for Hyundai Creta po, Miss France, patulong naman ako. Okay?
Of course, for the Hyundai Creta,
Okay, for Hyundai Creta.
actually for Hyundai Creta, the 1.5 GL. Hyundai Creta 1.5 GL, which is the entry model natin. It costs only 1.134 only. 1,134,000. 1.1 lang po ang Hyundai Creta. Ganito pong sasakyan na Creta, 1.1 lang po ito. Diba? Meron ka ng SUV rider car. Talagang para kang naka-little younger version ng Palisade. And we have also promo.
Yeah.
This is the first time, Ma'am Casey, na magkaroon kami ng promo,
Price list
big
daw, price-
discount. Imagine, 78,000 lang, you can have your brand new car. Diba? 78,000. May brand new car ka na with the monthly of 23,362. Diba? Kayang-kaya. Yung mga nag-invite dito sa ating mga content creator, alam nyo na, may mag-a-apply na and may magde-deposit na. Sa mga nanonood dyan, you heard it right. 78,000 lang po, you can have your brand new Hyundai Creta. Diba? Sobrang mura, Ma'am Case.
Yes, tama yon. So, 78,000, you get this facelift Creta na ang
Yes.
78,000 actually down payment na natin yan with our previous model.
Yes.
But you get this down payment for this all new Creta, right?
Yes, yes.
Now for the models that we have here in our showroom, which is the GLS and the premium variant, the price is 1,254,000 for the GLS.
Grabe, diba?
That's a 2.4 and 2 million price. Diba? And then for the premium variant, na nasabi ni Miss France kanina, it has wide array of safety features na, yun nga, no, meron na siya mga safety features na pagka inattentive tayo, nag-automatic braking. Oo, tapos pag nakakalabas ka ng linya, ibabalik ka niya sa loob ng linya. Oo, ganon. Pag may nag-overtake, iilaw yung side mirrors mo.
Yes.
And you can remotely start the car. So, ano no, ang daming features na meron na itong premium variant natin. It's 1,333,000.
Yes.
And a down payment of how much, France?
For only 108,000, you can
Ayan.
have the premium Hyundai Creta.
Yun.
Grabe.
And a monthly of 27,000.
Yes.
Ito nakaka-excite kasi our inline or the top of the line Hyundai Creta, which is our sporty variant for Creta, which is ano po ba yung mga dinagdag dito? Madami. Well, basically, mas malaki yung magstone. Kumbaga, mas binihisan siya para maging sporty looking.
Yes.
Meron siyang red calipers para naman talagang pag tinignan mo, naku, parang race car na ata tong Cretang to, no?
Yes.
Now also when you go inside, you have red accents as well. And ang makina, yun yung pinakamaganda sa
Yes.
lahat. Friends, ano po ba yung engine ni Creta?
Actually,
N-line.
sobrang ganda ng makina ng N-line natin. It's because of the 1.5 7-speed dual clutch transmission na. Sa mga hindi po nakakaalam kung bakit napakaganda ng Hyundai N-line, it's because of the dual clutch transmission na talagang para kang nagde-drive ng, alam mo yung sporty pero sobrang tipid niya na hindi mo mafe-feel yung bigat pero sobrang ganda ng takbo. Yeah, that's the dual clutch transmission. And of course, power to weight ratio ang sakyan natin. So mga baka may magtanong sa inyo, bakit parang maliit yung makina natin? For only 1.5.
Yeah.
You will have a high rider car.
Yes.
But it's a power to weight ratio.
Of course.
Diba?
Now, tama yung sinabi ni Franz, no? On top of the inline variant na naka 7 DCT siya, yung power output nito, power output for, I know, medyo technical na, no? Pero basically, it's like the speed of the vehicle, no? Speed or yung hataw niya, no?
Yes.
Yung itong mga variants natin nandito sa showroom, 115 ang horsepower.
Yes,
So,
115.
imagine it is being pulled by 115 horses. Now, our inline, ang power output niya is 160. So,
Yes.
ang lakas niya talaga. So, talagang para ka na makipagkakarera, di ba?
Yes.
With your Hyundai Creta.
Of course,
so,
yung hatak.
actually, mas mura pa siya dun sa previous model natin kung
Yes.
titingnan natin.
True.
Kaya nga, sabi ko, napakaswerte nung makakukuha ng mga Creta inline variant or even the premium variant natin. Kasi mas nakamura po tayo dito sa variants natin ngayon.
Yes.
One thing is, brief, si Hyundai po kasi is we are being handled by our by Hyundai Motors Philippines,
Yes.
which is a subsidiary of Hyundai Motors Company. So, kumbaga, direkta po tayo sa supplier natin.
Yes.
Kaya po, nakatulong ito para maging mas mura po ang ating mga ino-offer na prices. And full pack siya ng mga
Yeah.
gandang features. So, Franz, ano naman po yung ating mga prices for Hyundai Elantra?
Actually, ito na yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Sobrang mura po ng Hyundai Elantra natin na very sporty, very sophisticated. Imagine, for only 1,065,000 pesos, you can have your Hyundai Elantra standard. Grabe, di ba?
Bicolor.
1,065,000 lang. You can have that with 128 horsepower. And we have also promo for this
Ano si Elantra?
Hyundai car. Hyundai sedan na sporty looks. 148,000 lang po. You can have your sedan. A monthly of 21,940. And alam nyo ba kung magkano lang ang per day nyo niyan? For only 700 pesos, you can have your brand new car. Ganon kamura, kaganda ang Elantra natin. How about the 6-speed automatic na pinakita ko sa inyo kanina with engine remote start na so the GL with the engine remote start. Kumbaga, kahit nasabi ko sa inyo, yung presyo niya pang premium na, 'di ba? For only 1,140,000 pesos for the Elantra 1.6 GL. It's a 6-speed automatic na po siya. Kaya sa mga gustong mas convenient pero sporty, we have the Elantra 1.6 GL automatic. And we have discount here for the Elantra. For only 165,000 down payment, your monthly would be 23,486 pesos. And kung i-divide nyo yan sa 30, ang per day nyo lang yan, siguro mga 800 lang ata. Diba? Wala pang 1,000. You can save 1,000 per day. You can have your monthly. You can have your sobra pa sa monthly nindo. Pero nakasasakyan ka. Diba? Ang car ngayon, Miss Casey, hindi na siya luho eh.
tama.
This is a necessity na. You can go anywhere na gustuin nyo, kahit maulan, maaraw. Kaya nga, sobrang nakaka-happy kasi sa mga gustong magkasasakyan, pero may mga hesitation sila kasi daw sobrang mahal ng mga car ngayon. Gusto nila ng mas malaking car. We have na pwede tulong sa kanila. And we have also warranty. we have warranty-wise, hindi lang kasi yung, actually, alam nyo, ang pinakamaganda dito sa Hyundai, Ma'am Casey, and to our special guest, si Hyundai po, ang binibenta namin dito sa inyo is yung quality, performance, peace of mind. Sasakyan na kunin nyo dito sa amin. And of course, alam naman natin na ang pera natin ay hindi naman basta-basta nakukuha. Kumbaga, dapat may napupuntahan and nasa tama. Kaya talagang even kayo, mapapakuha talaga kayo dito. Kumbaga, kasama nyo kami na, yes, actually sabi ni Sir, it's an investment. Totoo po yan. And magagamit nyo siya sa pang everyday use nyo. Ito yung Elantra, Ma'am Casey, na akala nila magastos. Pero it's wow. Kasi super tipid po ni Hyundai Elantra. And Ma'am Case, doon pa lang sa dalawa pa lang na-discuss kong pricing natin. Ikaw na bahala magbigay ng presyo na akala nila ang mahal ng Hyundai Elantra natin.
Ayun, so na-discuss nga po ni Miss France yung mga GL variants natin na sabi ko nga, tama yung sinabi ni France, no? Para sa akin, the way I describe it is you get a price of a subcompact sedan.
Yes.
Ang subcompact sedan kasi those are mga Accent, Vios, Mirage, mga small cars, no? But this one is a compact sedan. So basically, wider and then mas mahaba siya in dimension. But at the same time, you get a stance of a sports car, right? So yun yung maganda kay Elantra. Now, for other variants that we have hybrid models. We have two variants for hybrid. We have the GLS and the Premium. GLS is 1,480,000. Now, for the Premium naman is 1,680,000. And again, this is hybrid, no? So when we talk about hybrid, it's a combination of two elements.
Yes.
So we have this electric motor and gasoline engine. Nagtutulungan sila para maging matipid ang performance and efficiency. Basically, matipid. Yung po talaga ang goal ng hybrid models natin. And ang hybrid po natin is hindi po siya plug-in, no? So, basically, nagsa-self-charge siya. So, nagsa-charge siya during braking, regenerative braking. Yung kinetic energy will turn into electrical energy, will then charge the the battery and then power up the electric motor, no?
Yes.
So, ganun po yung ating hybrid models. Alright, so, meron din po tayo N-line, just the same with Hyundai Creta. So if you are looking for like a sports car na talaga, ano? We have the N-line variant which is 1,795,000.
Yes.
Actually, this is actually mura. Si Elantra po, nag-launch na tayo way back. The Elantra N. Okay, our parang race car variant for Hyundai, no? That one, ang price po nun is 2.6 million. So, ang ginawa po ni, well, ang ganda naman talaga ang specs nun. Pang race car naman na talaga.
Sobra.
Ang amenities and exterior nun talagang pang race car na. Now, ang ginawa po ni Hyundai Motor Philippines is naglabas sila ng variant na may feel ng ganong vibe na sporty looking pero at a good price, which is this is 1.7 million. Meron tayong N-line na, well, currently dito po sa Hyundai, we are waiting for the allocation. So, sa mga interesado na mag-place ng deposit for the N-line variants, this is the best time para po ma-allocatean po namin kayo. Alright, so ngayon po, we are now done with the prices. Nag-enjoy po ba kayo?
Yes!
Okay, so kamusta anong masasabi niyo sa mga prices na na-discuss?
Na-shock talaga kami kasi sobrang ganda.
Sige.
Sobrang ganda talaga ng mga kotseng chinek namin ngayon. And for its price, nakaka-shock siya kasi sobrang mura bakala.
Oh, true! Ay, nakakatuwa naman yan. Thank you. How about you, si Marvin?
Okay, so from 2.1 na bumaba siya ng 1.6, so very nakakamura talaga siya. Especially sa mga may mga kids kasi yung mga seats niya is good for family talaga.
Ayun, tama.
Sobrang spacious niya pa talaga.
Yes, yes.
How about you, Miss Hannah Gale?
Na-shock din po ako kasi knowing na may pagka-sporty yung vibes niya po and yung ano niya talaga is quality din talaga. Sobrang ganda ng quality and for its price, super worth it po talaga niya.
Ayun, thank you. Miss Princess?
Yes, sino ba naman hindi magugulat? Yan naman talaga. Kasi grabe, akala namin mga 2.1, 2.2, yun pala half the price. Ayun,
Yeah.
so quality din naman talaga. So thank you so much po.
Alright. Thank you so much. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Feel free to check out other units din po. Thank you.
And actually, pwede na kayo magpa-reserve.
Yan, pwede na.
Sa mga nag-invite sa inyo, you can talk to them and kung paano mag-apply kasi napakadali and we are really here to help you out your brand new car.
Or maybe may refer kayo sa
Yes,
amin.
actually,
yung mga
yan.
magbibigay ng referral, meron naman tayong special referral fee naman pag mga ganon.
Thank you so much po.
Thank
Thank you so much. Thank you. And of
Please
course,
also like their page po, Miss. Ano po yung page natin?
Iris may
Yan.
po pala, and this is Hannah Gale po. Facebook.
Alright,
Follow us on our social media.
Alright.
thank you so much. And of course, Miss Casey, alam mo ba, sobrang ganda ng live natin today. May mga gusto magpa-shoutout and may mga gustong mga follow-up na specs and all. Actually, mga pahapyaw lang kasi yung mga sinabi natin, diba? And ngayon, shoutout nga pala kay Sir Lin Janwoo. They're asking for the Creta specs. And yan, we have 4 variants po ng Creta natin, which is 1.5 GL, which is with 115 horsepower. And sa premium po natin na nandito, ito yung premium with 115 horsepower at 6,300 RPM. Naka-engine remote start na po yan, push start button. Naka-monitor na rin po. And of course, meron naging kompleto na rin po ang Hyundai Smarts technology niya. And ano pa ba? Naka-leather seats na rin po yan.
Ayun, tama yung mga nasabi ni Franz, no? So again, for the variants, kagaya po naman nagtatanong ng specs, no? So tama yun, we have 4 variants. So we have the naturally aspirated, which is the GL variant, GLS and Premium, which we have here in our showroom, and then the inline. So when it comes to specs po, lahat po sila 1.5 ang engine.
Yes, lahat.
Okay.
Lahat po.
So basically, when it comes to power output, itong si GL to Premium variant, pareho po yung makina nila.
same,
Tama yung
same.
nasabi ni Franz, na 115 horsepower. But our inline variant
Yes, sa inline.
is 160.
160
Ayun. And
horsepower.
a torque of 253 Newton meter.
Grabe,
And naka
diba?
7-speed DCT na rin yun.
Yes,
By the
7
way,
speed.
IVT na rin tayo.
Yes.
For our other models, actually malakas na siya. I highly encourage po na pumunta po kayo dito sa showroom namin para ma-experience niyo po itong si Creta and Elantra. Itong si Creta, yung mga naturally aspirated natin na boasting a power output of 115, mas malakas na to eh.
Yes,
and
sobrang
very
ganda,
responsive,
tipid na rin,
diba? Very responsive for an IVT transmission compared po dun sa mga conventional automatic and CVT na nandyan sa ibang brand ng mga subcompact na SUV, no? Medyo mararamdaman natin yung lag sa mga ganong transmission, but with IVT, malakas to, very responsive, walang lag, and hindi siya maingay. So it's as if you are driving an 8-speed automatic, right, Franz? Oh, and also you have the plus-minus technology if you want to go manual. Yun.
Kaya talagang, kumbaga, dito sa Hyundai Creta natin, nasa kanya na ang lahat, diba? Wala ka nang hahanapin ba? Lalo na kung yung may mga clients tayo na gusto ng SUV, pero sobrang namamahalan sila. But this kind of car, high rider car ka na, SUV type ka na, we have our Hyundai Creta na sobrang ganda ng presyo niya, na talagang highly recommended. And hindi ka na kumbaga, you have the peace of mind for your family and your loved ones.
Ayun. So ayun nga po, ano po ba yung mga kulay available or anong standard colors for Creta, Miss Franz?
Actually, for our Hyundai Creta, we have the slate blue pearl. Ito yung naka-display natin ngayon. Yan. And then, magnetic silver, midnight black pearl, creamy white pearl, and of course, for the N-line exclusive color, we have the shadow gray plus midnight black pearl roof, dragon red pearl, midnight black pearl roof, and of course, creamy white pearl plus midnight black pearl roof. Grabe, kulay pa lang pang mayaman na.
Totoo.
Diba?
Okay.
And of course, shout out naman natin yung manager natin sa
Ay.
Hyundai, Legazpi. Grabe, shout out Ma'am Jo Marila by there.
Ayun, nasa Legazpi kasi yung aming sales manager, Ma'am Zong. Shout out naman.
And for the Elantra, Ma'am Casey, ano yung mga colors natin?
Okay, so for Elantra naman po, we have naman po, for the GL variants, we have color white, which we have here. And also we have the Cyber Gray and the Abyss Black Pearl. Those are the colors for our GL variants. And for the hybrid models, yung nandun po sa ating lead car display, that is our hybrid Meta Blue Pearl. Okay, so ayan po, available po yung kulay na yan for our hybrid models only. Okay, now we also have the N-line variant. Our N-line variant
Sino nga yung dumating?
has an additional color of Ultimate Red Metallic. Ayan, so those are the colors that we have with our Hyundai Elantra and Hyundai Creta. But of course, no, these are the units that we highlight for this event. Pero meron din po tayong other units na pwede po ninyo i-avail din.
Yes.
If you are looking for a like 7-seating capacity car.
Of course, we have our Hyundai Stargazer, our MPV car, multi-purpose vehicle with the 7-seaters na talagang pampamilya, sobrang spacious. We have promo for only 18,000 down payment. You can have your brand new car.
Ayun, 18,000 down payment, you get
Yes.
a 7-seaters automatic transmission. And katulad po kay Creta is IVT na po ito.
Yes.
And amongst
Sobrang
all
tipid.
totoo. And amongst all the MPV in the market, ito po yung may pinakamalaki yung space.
Of
no?
course.
And hindi lang po yun. Again, we offer 5 years warranty, all major parts, diba? So also, we also have other variants like the compact SUV that we have, which is the Hyundai Tucson. Ayan. So we have naman, what
We have
variants?
the gasoline and diesel, and of course, we have also hybrid car for the Hyundai Tucson.
Ayun, tama. Now also, of course, meron din tayong Hyundai Santa Fe.
Santa Fe.
Ano
of
po ba yung mga
course.
variants natin for
Actually,
Hyundai Santa
we
Fe?
have the 2.4 million, the front wheel drive, and also we have a 2.5 million na 4x4 na po. Equipped na rin po yun ng mga safety features, kompleto na po siya. With also we have other variant na Hyundai Santa Fe, which is 4x4.
And also, of course, we have the calligraphy variant and the hybrid model for
Yes, we have
Hyundai
the hybrid
Santa Fe.
also.
So when it comes to safety, all variants po has wide array of Hyundai Smart Sense. Katulad po
Grabe,
na mention
no?
natin kanina, no? Those automatic braking and lane keeping and the 360 camera is all equipped with the Hyundai Santa Fe. Now also, of course, we have our van.
Our Hyundai Staria. Grabe. Sa mga naghahanap po ng pangnegosyo, we have the commuter, which is 11-seating capacity na with 6-speed manual transmission. And if they're looking for a business, moving business, we have the cargo, which is worth 1.5 million. And also sa mga gusto rin po na mga pangpamilya, which is sobrang ganda na rin ng mga amenities niya, like push start button na rin, para ka nang naka-top of the line for only 2.3 million, Ma'am
Ayun,
Casey, naka
totoo.
11-seaters ka na.
Yes.
And of course, the other variants pa po.
Tama, yung 2.3 million na na-mention ni France, no, is dual sliding doors na yan.
Yes.
You get an amenities of very luxury van, no? So, also, we have the premium models. We have 9 and 7-seaters. Both are equipped with 4x4.
4x4, di ba? Tayo pa lang naka 4x4 na van.
Tama, o, di ba? Just the same with Hyundai Santa Fe, yung 4x4 natin is called H-Track or all-wheel
Hyundai
drive.
traction.
Yes. So ano po ba, paano po ba ito nagpa-function? Basically is ina-adapt niya kung saan mas kailangan ng power, kung sa unahan ba or sa likod. Nagdi-distribute siya ng power kung sa unahan or sa likod, no? So depende sa road condition and depende din sa mode ng sasakyan. So para mas stable and mas safe yung takbo ng sasakyan natin. So
Yes.
kahit nga i-off-road mo, technically kayang-kaya niya.
Especially sa road natin dito,
Totoo.
sobrang ganda ng road natin
Totoo.
going here. Kaya sa mga naghanap ng van na pang pamilya, talagang very comfortable kayo. Just look and check out our unit na Storya para
Yes.
mas safe po ang family natin and mas ma-enjoy nyo ang travel with the family.
Yes,
diba?
tama. Speaking of enjoying travel, our Starry, especially the premium variants,
Yes.
yung 9-seaters is captain seats, yung second and third row seat, which pwedeng magharapan yung mga
Yes.
family members nila. Or at the same time, if they'll go for the 7-seaters, yung second row seats, di ba?
Captain seats na rin siya with the
relaxation
yes,
seats,
relaxation
diba?
seats na rin
Yung
siya.
parang lazy boy na siya,
Yes.
no? With sunroof,
Sunroof
moonroof.
na rin, diba?
Ayun, so to give you more details about this units that we are talking about, please feel free to go here in Hyundai Naga.
Yes,
Huwag
and-
natin kalimutan yung pang-business natin, Miss
Yes,
Franz.
of course. Hindi mawawala. Actually, ito yung sinasabi nilang pang-pamilya na pang-negosyo pa, di ba? Akala nyo pang-sports pa. Actually, Ma'am Casey, pwede siyang pang-sports Kasi pwede siyang pang-kargahan.
Totoo.
Di ba?
Oo.
And napakalaki niya with a 20 to 23 seating capacity. And of course, sobrang ganda, sobrang laki with the diesel engine pa siya na CRDI, which is our Hyundai H100. Grabe, sobrang ganda ng H100. Talagang mapapawaw ka talaga sa ganda.
Oo.
We have, ang alam ko, we have promo for the H100, Ma'am
Yes,
Casey.
tama. So, on top of those features na nasabi ni Franz, no, so si H100 po, it comes with 6-speed manual. Ito lang po ang naka-shuttle van na naka-6-speed
Yes.
manual. And boasting a power output of 130 and a torque of 255 Newton meter. Siya po ang may pinakamalakas, pinakamahatak, pinakamahataw na
Yes.
shuttle van in the market. So talagang kung fully loaded ka, kayang-kaya niya, ano man ang road condition nito. At the same time, kung nagmamadali ka, diba? Kasi
Yes.
nga, malakas yung power output nito, diba? Not only that, in the interior, it's like, naka-sedan-like na siya, diba, Miss Franz?
Feel like you're driving a sedan car. Pero
Totoo.
considering na nasa truck, na siya, diba? Si H100 natin. Kaya hindi mo akalain na you're driving na napagod ka kasi very comfortable pa rin ang pag-drive mo.
Totoo.
Yung driver niyo or even kayo, para kang nagda-drive ng SUV or ng sedan car, diba?
Pwede.
Pero H100 yun.
Totoo.
diba?
Actually, na-drive ko na yan. Papunta ng Tabaco. Hindi ako nahirapan. I'm 5.
Ako din, na-drive ko na rin yan.
Ah,
Diba?
hindi
Ang laki nun, pero, diba?
Nakaya namin. So, kaya nyo din. Ayun, si H100, ilan po ba yung down payment ng H100?
Actually, yung pinaka-low down payment natin for the H100, no hidden charges, for only 28,000 pesos, you can have your brand new H100 na. Grabe. Ang
So,
ganda.
For a shuttle van, di ba? Especially kung may business tayo, at least marorolling natin yung ating
Yes.
investment. So, 28,000, may gagamitin na tayo for our business.
Yes. And
Alright?
no hidden charges, Ma'am
No
Casey,
hidden charges, of
Wala
course.
kaming, kumbaga, more on transparency lang kami. Kami pa magbibigay sa inyo ng mga libre with complete, package.
Yes.
Like, kumbaga, sa mga gustong malaman kung ano pa yung mga further questions, pwede nyo po kaming i-message sa Hyundai Naga page. I-like nyo po and share po ang page namin para sa mga other promos, updated po tayo. And of course, my account, yan, Marie Franz Castillo Datiles, that's my primary account.
Yes, all right. So, ayun. So, probably that's a wrap of
That's a
our
wrap.
discussion with the all-new Hyundai Creta and all-new Hyundai Elantra. So, again, feel free to visit us here in Hyundai Naga. We are located here at Del Rosario, Maralica Highway, Del Rosario, Naga City. Tapat lang po tayo ng
Sa may Camellia po
Camellia,
malapit.
yes.
And of course, sa mga taga Legazpi, taga Daet, we have also offices po. Sa Legazpi from Peñaranda, Botnot,
Tama?
Legazpi City. Pwede po kayo mag-visit doon. We have a lot of units rin po na pwede nyong i-check. And dito po sa Daet,
Sa Vincent's Avenue.
Vincent's
naman, malapit
Avenue.
sa SM.
Yes, malapit po yan sa SM. Kaya hindi na kayo mag-worry na pumunta sa mga dealership namin. Kami na po ang pupunta para sa inyo. And ngayon po, kaya natin to ginagawang live para sa mga taong hindi po makakapunta, kami po ang pupunta sa inyo, diba?
Ayun. So sa lahat po na nanonood ng live stream na ito, please do like and share. Comment if you have questions, and you can just directly message then us to our Facebook page. So again, invite ulit natin. Tomorrow is our Bankers Day.
Yes, grabe.
then-
It's a week with Elantra and Creta experience talaga today, diba?
Yes.
So tomorrow is Bankers Day.
So again, iniimbitaran po namin yung lahat ng mga bank officers to come visit our showroom.
Yes
Okay?
po.
And the next day is open house. So anyone can visit. Actually, every day naman.
Every
is
day.
an open house. Anyone can visit our showroom.
Yes.
On Friday, invite din po natin yung mga
Clients po natin na old and new clients to visit our showroom on June 13.
yes.
June 13 to check and avail our surprises na ipamimigay po namin sa inyo.
Yes, of course, to experience also the newest models. We have food din po prepared for you guys. Now also on Saturday, we have our special Father's Day promo.
Yes, sa mga
Okay.
father dyan,
Yes.
advance happy
Or yun
Father's
sa mga
Day po.
wifey, napapasayahin natin ang ating mga
Yes.
mga hobby, di ba?
Yes, of
So this is the
course.
best chance na if you are planning to buy a car, come visit our
Actually
showroom.
nga daw, Ma'am Casey, ito daw yung best gift na marireceive ng mga tatay ngayong araw ng
Totoo.
mga ama. Lalo na yung mga amang nagpapakaama, diba?
Ayun.
And we have good news, Ma'am Casey. I think we have surprise para sa mga magde-deposit po para sa Father's Day. We have additional 5,000 gift check sa mga magde-deposit po on Father's Day or before Father's Day.
Ayun, so on Saturday, you will receive 5,000 SM gift certificate, kaya come visit our showroom.
Yes.
Ayan, so thank you once again for being with us here in Hyundai Naga via Facebook. Okay, so if you have questions, just message us.
Yes. Thank you so much po. By the way, I'm Marie France Castillo Datilas. I'm a senior consultant here in Hyundai Naga City.
And of course, I am Casey Begia Venosa, Sales Supervisor of Hyundai Naga. Thank you and have a great day.
Thank you so much. Bye!
There seems to be something new going on. You look extra. You look like you're ready to forge your own way and accelerate with your newfound confidence. To follow your instincts and demand attention. as you push the limits of what you can reach. There's nothing more thrilling than being comfortable in the pursuit of something great. Knowing that nothing can stop you. Be unstoppable with a new Hyundai Creta.